Hey guys, this is Jessica. I just wanted to actually kind of go through the process with you on how to create an Nearpod instead of just showing you the presentation. And so here is my computer login or my library that I would have. What I'm going to do here is create your own. I'm going to go to Lesson in Nearpod. Make sure I double click it so it will open. And here's going to be my idea or how I'm going to actually do it. So what I'm going to do for my first slide, we are currently studying right now in my class plot. And so what I want to do is I'm going to create a Nearpod on plot. So I either can have the option to add content, add web content, or add an activity. For my first one, I'm going to add an activity. Time to Climb is a great game that you can play with your students. It's a great warm-up game where they actually look like they're trying to climb up a mountain. So that's up to you. You have different options. So you have Time to Climb, open-ended question, matching pairs, quiz, draw it, collaborate where the students work together, poll, fill in the blank, or memory test. I'm going to create a poll like we did last time. And just because this will be like my warm-up for my question, did all right, so question is just, did you enjoy your weekend? Yes or no, and I'm done. Now, if you wanted to add more, you could, and then I can also add a timer. So I'll give them a minute to do it. And I'm finished here, so then I'm going to go to save. And as it's saving, you can do different things. So I'm going to add a slide. So this will give me an option. So I'm going to add content. I'm going to do slide this time. And here's your other options that you have, like we mentioned before. So if you look on my on my right, I've got the different themes. I'm just going to choose this one to make it. And so it kind of gives my slide a little oomph to get their attention. Plot. And here I'm going to have an option. I can either do text, video, image, or GIFs. I'm going to do text. And you can also hear background layout, audio, preview layout. You can actually change it to meet your different needs. So I'm going to do title and 2-element. So here I'm going to click and I'm just going to type in plot. And this is where I would put my definition for it. And then here I could just add, if I wanted to, a GIF. So here you could just search and choose. And we'll just do this one, and the plot thickens, so you could actually talk to your students about how, rising action, you get your conflicts. And so this is just my typical, and obviously I would add more stuff to it. But I would go to save and exit. And I'm going to hit yes, save, because it is going to change my first slide for the poll because it's the all theme. All right, so if I'm done, I have an option to either preview it or to save and exit. And as you can see, it's processing it. So it'll take it a minute. I'm going to hit save and exit. I'm going to title this plot. My grades, I'm going to use this for 6th, 7th, and 8th. Subject, ELA, hit save and exit. And voila, it should be in my library. It is right here for plot. I hope this was a quick tutorial for you. Thanks for watching.